If you want to learn how to customize approval processes in Navan, you've come to the right place. In this quick video, I'll guide you through the key features and steps to tailor approval workflows to your exact needs. Whether you're looking to streamline your business processes or ensure that every request is properly vetted, understanding Navan's approval customization options will set you up for success. Navan is a powerful software tool that can help companies manage approvals efficiently, but the real value comes when you make the most of its customization options. Customizing approval processes allows you to control who can approve what, when, and how. This is crucial for businesses that need to maintain strict guidelines while also offering flexibility. Let's dive into how you can create custom approval workflows. First, head over to the admin dashboard. From there, you'll have access to the configuration settings. Within these settings, find the approval workflow section. Here, you'll be able to create a new process or modify an existing one. The beauty of Navan is that it lets you design approval processes from scratch or build on templates to save time. When creating a custom approval process, you can set conditions based on specific criteria. For example, you can assign approval duties to certain individuals or teams depending on the amount of a request, the type of request, or even the department that it originates from. You can also set up multi-level approval, so requests that exceed a certain threshold require approval from multiple people in a hierarchy. To customize these workflows effectively, Navan allows you to define rules for escalation and notifications. If an approval is delayed, the system can automatically escalate the request to the next person in line, ensuring that nothing gets missed. You can also automate notifications to alert approvers when their action is needed, keeping everything running smoothly without manual reminders. If you want to add more complexity, you can include conditional steps. For instance, you might want to require additional information or documentation based on the category of the request. This helps reduce mistakes and ensures the right checks are in place before any approvals go through. One of the most powerful features of Navan's customization is the ability to create role-specific workflows. For example, a manager might only approve requests within a certain budget range, while a director might need to approve anything above that. This flexibility allows you to tailor processes to different levels of authority, making approvals faster and more efficient. Once you've created your custom approval process, you can test it by running through mock requests to make sure everything works as expected. You'll want to check that approvals route correctly, notifications fire off at the right time, and all conditions are met. After testing, you can fine-tune your process and launch it for real. Now, you might be wondering if this sounds like something you need. I've got great news. If you're new to Navan, you can use this software for completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. Plus, you'll get exclusive bonuses to help you make the most of your experience. Remember, mastering the approval process in Navan is about understanding how it fits into your business's needs and customizing it to work for you. And with the flexibility this software offers, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're managing a small team or a large enterprise, Navan's customization options will save you time and increase efficiency. Before we wrap up, I just want to remind you that you can start using Navan with an exclusive and extended free trial by clicking the link below. This will give you full access to all the features, including approval process customization, so you can get a feel for how it works for your company. Thanks for watching, and good luck customizing your approval workflows with Navan.